Did you know that just a short walk after eating can lower your blood sugar by up to 20 to 30%? Most people think lowering blood sugar is complicated. They think it requires extreme diets, cutting all carbs, or jumping straight into medication. But research shows your daily habits, especially what you eat and how you move, can have an immediate impact on your blood sugar levels. And the best part, you can start seeing changes within hours. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, science-backed, plant-based routine you can start today. Research shows that over 1 in 3 adults have insulin resistance or prediabetes, often without even knowing it. Here's what's happening inside your body. Every time you eat, especially carbohydrates, your blood sugar rises. Your body releases insulin to help move that sugar into your cells for energy. But when your body becomes insulin resistant, your cells stop responding properly to insulin. So instead of sugar going into your cells, it stays in your bloodstream. Studies have linked this to increased fatigue after meals, weight gain, especially abdominal fat, higher risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. So the goal isn't just to reduce sugar intake, it's to improve how your body responds to insulin. And this is where plant-based nutrition and daily habits become powerful tools. 6 simple ways to lower blood sugar. Let's go into practical research-backed steps you can start immediately. 1. Walk after every meal. Research published in Diabetes study shows that walking for just 10 to 15 minutes after meals can significantly reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes. Why? Because your muscles use glucose for energy, even without relying heavily on insulin. So instead of sitting down after eating, go for a short walk. This is one of the simplest and fastest ways to lower blood sugar naturally. 2. Change the order. You eat your food. A study found that eating fiber and protein before carbohydrates can reduce blood sugar spikes by up to 30 to 40%. So instead of eating carbs first, try this. Start with leafy greens, vegetables, beans or lentils, then plant-based proteins like tofu or chickpeas. Then eat carbs last. This slows down digestion and keeps your blood sugar more stable. 3. Move more, sit less. Research shows that prolonged sitting can reduce insulin sensitivity, even in healthy individuals. In other words, the more you sit, the harder it becomes for your body to regulate blood sugar. But even light movement helps. Standing, walking, stretching, frequent movement throughout the day improves how your body uses glucose. 4. Avoid sugary drinks. Studies have consistently shown that sugary beverages are one of the biggest contributors to blood sugar spikes and type 2 diabetes risks. Because they lack fiber, sugar enters your bloodstream rapidly. Even fruit juice, though natural, can spike blood sugar quickly. Better options: water, unsweetened tea, black coffee. This simple switch can dramatically reduce daily sugar spikes. 5. Fix your sleep and stress. Research shows that just one night of poor sleep can increase insulin resistance the next day. And chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which directly increases blood sugar. So even if your diet is good, poor sleep and high stress can hold you back. Aim for 6 to 8 hours of sleep, daily moments of rest and recovery. Your body heals and regulates best when it's well rested. 6. Focus on whole, plant-based foods. Multiple studies show that diets rich in whole plant foods are associated with lower blood sugar levels and improved insulin sensitivity. Why? Because these foods are high in fiber, which slows sugar absorption and supports gut health. Focus on vegetables, whole fruits, beans and legumes, whole grains, nuts and seeds, and reduce processed foods, refined carbs, sugary snacks. The closer your food is to its natural form, the better your body responds. Let's simplify everything into a realistic daily routine you can actually follow and stay consistent with. Morning, start your day with a high-fiber, plant-based meal to help stabilize your blood sugar from the very beginning. This could be something simple like oatmeal topped with nuts and fresh fruit, or a veggie tofu scramble packed with fiber and protein. Starting your day this way helps prevent energy crashes and sugar spikes later on. After meals, make it a habit to walk for 10 to 15 minutes after eating. This small action helps your body use the sugar from your meal more efficiently and prevents sharp spikes in blood sugar. Throughout the day, avoid sitting for long periods of time. If you've been sitting for 30 to 60 minutes, stand up, stretch, or take a short walk. Even light movement like doing chores, walking while on the phone, or simply staying on your feet can make a big difference in how your body processes sugar. Evening, keep your dinner lighter and focus on whole, plant-based foods like vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Try not to eat too late at night and give your body time to digest before going to bed. Use this time to slow down, relax, and allow your body to recover, because good rest plays a key role in balancing your blood sugar. You don't need extreme diets. You don't need complicated plans. Research continues to show that simple, consistent habits can create powerful changes in your health. A plant-based approach combined with daily lifestyle shifts can help your body regulate blood sugar naturally, just the way it was designed to. And as you begin this journey, remember this, as it says in 1 Corinthians 6:19-20, your body is a temple of the Holy Spirit. Therefore, honor God with your body. Taking care of your health isn't just physical, it's spiritual too. It's stewardship. It's honoring what God has given you. So start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. If you found this helpful, follow for more simple, science-based health tips.